This is my mom, and this is her 2007 Mercedes-Benz SL550, and today we are going to put an AMG-style grille on it. You can see here where her top fin broke off. Ooh, that looks nice.
She's pretty.
We don't. It's got the new updated style badge. Yeah. Oh my God, that's heavy. V8. I don't know why I'm surprised that all of these tabs are broken, but from what I've seen online and just looking at it, I think that we just have to undo these bolts, and there's no sensors in this front grille, so it should be fairly easy. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm not gonna break your bumper. I just
Flew over the hood of my car while I was driving.
This is not the way to do this, but it's the fun way. Oh, this plastic is so brittle. I'm like barely winding things the correct way. Yeah. Just sweep up with the little broom. And that should just fit right in place. So I just want to make sure it slides in properly this time. No more broken grill. What do you think?
I love it. Dang, no wonder.
Yeah. Let me know what you guys think we should do to my mom's Mercedes next. I think it should be wheels and fitment.
Definitely some new wheels.